It was a beautiful day. The sun was shining. There was not one cloud in sight. Even the birds were chirping. But there was something different, a new noise that didn't quite fit. One thing's for sure, it certainly wasn't the birds making that sound.
What is that noise?
It's like a sledgehammer hammering sledges in my brain.
Ah, it's like someone stuck a brick in a blender.
It's so loud, man.
Hey, what do you know? Someone did stick a brick in a blender.
The music room.
Oh, that's amazing. I didn't know Kitty could play bass.
I'm not sure she can. I'll just plug you into a smaller amp, Kitty. Right, back in the big amp then.
Yeah, not much variety, but she'll get there.
But when is she gonna get there, Naz?
Wow, Luna, don't be hasty. Remember when you learned to play the zither?
La 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 la. Huh? Oh, you wanna play the zither? Okay. Oh no, wait! Mr. Bunny!
Kitty'll get there. And until she does, do what I do. Stay positive. And invest in some earplugs.
It's great!
You think it sounds great?
No, I meant like this brick milkshake. Tastes kind of like brick, but like a nice brick, you know, like you really. Yeah, Kitty's playing is not great.
Give her a break.
Careful, Ming. Everyone will realize you love her just as much as we do.
All I'm saying is she's only been playing for
13 hours straight. Maybe the bass isn't for her.
You saying we should try and get her to learn something else?
No, I'm saying we should get her to play something else.
Does a cushion count as a musical instrument?
Harold, you twit! I tell you, it's not going to fit.
Oh, it'll fit. See? It's moving. Something's beginning to give. Oh, no!
Okay, Kitty. Stop for a second. Huh?
Ta-da!
We thought you might be interested in learning other instruments. The trumpet. The violin. The snare drum.
Whoa, that does not make sense.
A cushion?
I want to help her, but where do we even start?
Just leave it to Pierre. She will be magnificent. You are very lucky, you know, because you are going to be a pupil of Pierre, the greatest bass teacher of all history. Kitty is a cat who knows bass is where it's at. Let's jam! Almost. Just wiggle up a little bit. No, not quite. Just wiggle your fingers up the fret. Here, I'll show you how it will sound when you learn. Don't worry, Kitty. You'll be playing like me in no time.
Meow.
Not everyone wants to play like you, Pierre.
I'm confused. This is second kind thing you've said today.
We've got to do something about this. She's not giving up.
Humans can be so, what's the word?
Irritating, irrational, stubborn.
Stubborn, that's the one. What is it about human behavior?
Did I hear someone ask about human behavior?
No.
Nope.
No, I definitely heard it.
Oh, KT, please don't!
Humans regularly use their determination to attempt things that nature has said they should be happy to leave alone, like climbing mountains. Another example is flying. Humans will do the same thing over and over until they are finally successful. Or they break something and are rushed to hospital. The point is, a determined human can't be stopped. You need to get out of the way or get right in behind them. Oh, that's it! We gotta get right in behind her. Help her find the right band for the bass. Voiced up, jazz! What about classical? Reggae!
Remember, Kitty, wiggle, wiggle.
I mean, there's still country music. Yeah, go, kitty. That sounds way better.
That went well.
It's just, maybe the bass isn't for her, you know? Like, she's so good at lots of other things.
Quiet! Kitty, where are you?
I will not be beaten by a chair.
Why not? You've been beaten by just about everything else in life. And now a chair.
Poor little kitty. All she had wanted was to share her sound.
Meow, meow.
To be part of the music in this musical house.
You can't tell anyone what I'm about to show you, okay? Oh, what am I saying? You never actually talk. Kitty, there will always be those who tell you what to like and who to be. But you must remember, good music is whatever you enjoy.
Meow.
I myself have traveled alone down a musical path that others scorn. A genre so despised that others laugh at its very mention. But here, I reveal it to you. Behold, Ming, the master of progressive rock. I play my music just for me, but if you want, you could play too. No, your thing.
It's Kitty, man.
It's good.
Well, what do you know? She found her sound.
No thanks to us. Ming, is you?
I'm not here.
Of course it's not Ming. Ming I know would never be this nice.
Okay, show's over. Oh. Yes, hugging. Thank you, Kitty.
I remember when I first learned the piano, it wasn't easy. Problem is, sometimes grown-ups forget that things they're good at, they didn't used to be good at. Don't stop being determined, kid. It suits you. And here, look, headphones. Kid, you are gonna make a wonderful human one day.
Right, that's it. We're moving the TV out here.
Hopefully nothing like that, human. So easy to mistake determination for stubbornness. Or, what's that other S word? Stupidity.
As we end this story on this beautiful night, if you listen very, very closely, you just might hear a little girl playing her own sound, and she's playing it just for her.